welcome back. Sowson here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Szechuan chicken thighs. Hot and spicy with a twist of sweetness. You're going to love this one. If you are watching your weight, perfect meal for you. It will actually kickstart your metabolism. Are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, I do have 8 chicken thighs here. I will be marinating it with salt, pepper, soy sauce and rice wine vinegar. Put it in the fridge for an hour, take it out and we'll start cooking. Salt, pepper, rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons, and soy sauce, again 2 tablespoons. Just added olive oil to the pan. It is going to be a hot Szechuan, so I've got 4 cloves of garlic, 4 chili, red chilies, and some ginger. Now while that's cooking, I am adding the chicken thighs. Adding peppercorn, Szechuan peppercorn, 1 tablespoon, and a tablespoon of sugar. If you could only smell it, hot and spicy with a twist of sweetness. And there we have it, Szechuan chicken thighs. Just going to add on all of the beautiful chili, garlic, ginger, not forgetting the sauce. Oh, I can smell the heat from here. Beautiful. Take that to the side. Just dressing it with a little bit of spring onions, radish. I've actually shaved this radish. Sesame seeds and a little bit of soya. Beautiful. And there you have it, my version of Szechuan chicken thighs. Sweet and spicy. Just in time for lunch, gotta go. Like and subscribe, get on that notification button and don't miss out on any of my delicious recipes. There is a beauty coming and it's on the way. Until then, have an amazing day. Bye everyone. Wow, it is hot. It is spicy and it's sweet. Gotta try it. It's good.